Today we're talking about how to find scholarly articles, scholarly research for free. If you have ever been looking for a particular piece of research to support something that you're doing with a client or a workshop that you're working on, you know how frustrating it is to find the abstract and then click here to pay for access to this article. So I'm going to show you my little trick that I do to help me find free versions of these articles. And one thing I want to say really quickly is that it's a whole other conversation about how to tell if the journal is actual scholarly, but you want to make sure that it's peer reviewed, and that's a pretty good indication that it's pretty scholarly journal. But a lot of people pay to be in journals, and those journals are really generally not as legitimate. But sometimes people who are accepted into these peer-reviewed journals pay for the right for their articles to be free. And so they're doing a service to us because they want to spread, you know, what they've researched, and they want that knowledge out there. So just a quick little thing about that there's a difference between paying to be in a journal or paying for access to your work to be free. So that's a whole other conversation, right? So we're going to jump right in and look at Google Scholar. So if you go to google.com and you type in Google Scholar, then this will pop up. And then you can type in yoga for diabetes, whatever you're looking for. If you want to find a bunch of articles, you can find that. So when you see this list, role of yoga and diabetes, sometimes if you see the PDF beside it, that can be a good indication that it's a free version. But let's just look right down here. So you have the name of it, and then you have a little blurb description. And then if you look right down here where it'll say all 8 versions, or you'll see all 5 versions, all 3 versions. If you click on that, then a lot of different versions, and it's the same study. So when it says versions, it's not a summary of it. It's the study, but it's in different articles or different access points. And what you want to look for is ones that are a PDF. Normally, if it says PDF, then you're going to be able to have full access. See, we have access to the whole article here. And that is really important, because having the abstract and having someone say, yoga has been found to be beneficial for blah, 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 is good. But if you can go in and find the actual article and see what protocol, what intervention did they use for diabetes, then, you know, why not use it? It's proven to be effective in some cases or in some people. And so, you know, don't reinvent the wheel or anything like that. So if you know the name of a particular article that you want, so for me, I use this one a ton, Yoga for People in Pain by Neil Pearson. And if you know the author, that's even better. And you can see it was in my history. So I'll type that up, and here it comes. Now I'll go down to here, I see all 9 versions, and then I'll look for the ones that have PDF. And then this paincareu.com, that's his actual website. So of course he can put it on there, and we all have access to it. By the way, he does great work for pain. Anyway, so that's how you can find, and so some of them won't even have, like that one doesn't even have access to a PDF. So you'll want to make sure you find the one that says PDF. Okay? I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments. Be sure and subscribe, because I'll be doing some more things like this, kind of helping yogipreneurs navigate around. And so I'd love to hear from you. Thanks. Bye.